On the outskirts of New Delhi, people eagerly take their seats on this plane. But it won't be taking off. Known as the flight to nowhere, it provides an opportunity for school children and those who may never be able to afford to take a real flight to experience being on a plane. The man behind the project is Bahadur Chand Gupta, a retired aircraft engineer.
I belong to a very small village in Haryana. When I joined Indian Airlines in 1980, people wanted to see the aircraft. One gentleman from my village, he wanted to see the aircraft. So I took him inside the airport somehow. And I told him not to speak, but he spoke and I was caught. That day I realized it is very difficult for a poor man to see the aircraft. That day I thought that I should have something out of the airport like this so that I can show them the aircraft.
Gupta decided to sell his land and bought the decommissioned Airbus A300 in 2003 for 600,000 rupees, around £6,000. He charges people according to what they can afford, as little as $1 or nothing at all for the very poor. Passengers receive the full flight experience, collecting boarding passes, safety briefings, and even in-flight catering.
मेरा नाम जतिन है। मैं पहली बार जहाज में आया हूँ। बहुत कुछ जहाज में देखा है और तब जहाज पानी में जाता है तब वो लाइफ जैकेट पहन के पानी में कूदना पड़ता है और ऑक्सीजन मास्क देखा है और एसी का ऊपर का देखा है।
Some even get to see inside the cockpit.
तो ये जो कहते हैं भी करना पड़ता है। देखो ऐसे हम इसको लेफ्ट राइट करते हैं, ऐसे इसको अप डाउन करते हैं। देख रहे हैं ना आप?
उम्मीदों के अकॉर्डिंग ही लगा। उम्मीदों जैसे कई बार टीवी वगैरह में देखा है तो काफ़ी फैसिलिटी भी है और सेफ्टी भी है, तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा।
To finish the experience, the passengers simulate an evacuation. Gupta has managed to run his venture for so long after finding an unexpected form of income.
I never thought that I'll be making money out of it. But the airlines, they wanted to train their people and they were ready to pay me good money. So till date, I don't have any problem for the money part. I'm able to maintain this aircraft. There was not a single day when I had to borrow any money from anybody.
But the main reward for Gupta is the happiness his plane brings to others.
It gives you very, very good feeling. If you help somebody, let us say, you can feel that. I feel, very happy. I feel fully satisfied with my life.